This is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of these, and you can do the same. Just follow the steps, hit subscribe, and let's go.
Okay, so guys, we are still on the journey to 30 days 30 video. So guys, today is day 3, and make sure that you subscribe and like this video, share this video to your friends. Let's go.
Now for the first step, of course, if you don't have any wallets, you should make one, and this Exodus one is a really good one. I use it all the time. You can get it on the App Store, on Google Play, and on your Windows device. But of course, you can always use this Atomic wallet. It is a good one as well. Or maybe even this Trust wallet. Just take a look at Trust wallet on Google Play. 10 million downloads. I mean, it's a good one. People use it all the time. But if you are a complete beginner, you can just go over to bitcoin.org. And what these guys are gonna do is that they are gonna help you with choosing your wallet. So if you click on choose your wallet, they will just give you 4 simple questions to answer. So what's your operating system? That's gonna be the first one. So if you want to get this on Windows device, for example, click on Windows, click on the next button now, and then the next question is how much do you know about Bitcoin? Now just be honest with them. Just click on new if you are a beginner. If you're experienced, click on this and click on the next. Now this is the most important part. Which criteria are important to you? Now this is important. Fees, guys. You don't want to waste money on fees. I've seen so many wallets out there which just take a lot of fees. So check this. And the last question is, what features are you looking for? This one is good for authentication for security reasons. And then just click on the next button and you will have certain wallet recommended to you based on your answers. So this selection, for example, you can just click on visit website where you can just download this wallet. So that was the first step. You need a wallet because that's where the profits are gonna go. If you have one, let's go further. Now this is the website that is actually gonna get us paid. So cryptax.org. So cryptax.org. You have it right here. This will give you some bitcoins, okay? And honestly guys, the crypto world and especially Bitcoin has been rising over the last 1 month. Just take a look at this graph. It was 17,000 and just take a look at how much it has risen, okay? 23,000 now. And not only Bitcoin guys, you can take a look at Ethereum, you can take a look at Dogecoin even, at Solana. All of the crypto world is recovering. But this one is gonna give you Bitcoin. So it is really simple. Nothing that hard on this one. Cryptax is a Windows app that pays you for the computing power of your PC. And right away you can see how much you can earn. So for example, if you just use your gaming PC which you have at your home, you can get like $95 per month. I know it's not a lot, but maybe you have a better PC at your home, so you can just scale this up. You can maybe go to like $150 or maybe even $200 if you have better graphics card than this which is written here. And of course, I like this one because there's no high threshold for withdrawals, and you will just download this one, you will run, and you will get that Bitcoin consistently, okay? So that's good. Now, of course, you just have to make yourself an account. Let's not waste time on it. You know how to do it. I want to show you the mistake that I did. So when you log in inside of this is going to be your dashboard, okay? And when you want to withdraw that money, you will just click on request payment and choose Bitcoin. But this is the mistake that I made when I got here. So I just got the Cryptax and I just downloaded it. And I was like, okay, then I should get Bitcoin right away. But I was not right. Cryptax will need to run for at least few hours, and then you will get a true estimation of what your machine is capable of, okay? And then your balance will show up. So that's about it. You can, of course, also check the comments and reviews on Trustpilot for Cryptax. It has 4.5 out of 5. And when you take a look at the comments, I mean, people are really satisfied. You can just do your own research, just go and see some of these, but what I have found is really good. Cryptax is for real. Cryptax has been great for me to make a little side money. Hey dudes, Cryptax is awesome, easy to use and install. So all in all, Cryptax is good. You can make some nice money, and of course it is gonna work all around the world. So whether you live in Africa, whether you live in Asia, it doesn't matter. Anyone can get money with this. But I have another way. There's actually one more website which is mining on a cloud. So this one doesn't use your own resources. It is called bitcointora.online. Now, you can find this one easily by going over to Google and you can just type this. So, Bitcoin Torah online. So, that's going to be the site. This one over here, bitcointorah.online. Now, what these guys are doing is that they're just giving this on a cloud, and you can see that they have a lot of users, it works anywhere, and they use something which is called Bitcoin miner script. Now, if you are wondering what is a Bitcoin miner script, well, you can see here, you copy and paste your Bitcoin wallet address, and it will start generating Bitcoins. Once the miner's fee is confirmed, you will receive your Bitcoins. So it's a pretty simple process. I'm gonna show you now. They also have instant daily payouts, and it is really easy to use, and of course it is fast to use. So that's what we need. So when you land on the page, just click on this button, start mining, and then you're gonna be redirected in here. So first of all, you can even choose Bitcoin or even Ethereum if you want to get that, and of course you just paste your address in this box, and then you can just choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to mine. So I suggest that you keep this at 0.1, because if you just scroll and if you just move this slider to the right, it's gonna take like 1 month to give so, okay? And if you close the tab at any time, if you just, I don't know, maybe your power goes off, the earnings will be lost. So I suggest you put this at 0.1 and it's gonna be enough, okay? Just click on the start button and you will get this like pretty quickly. 0.1 Bitcoin is some good money. You can actually check that really easily by going to CoinMarketCap or any other, and you can just scroll down and you can just like add this. 0.1 is actually $2,000, so it's some good money, right? And the last thing, which is a bonus tab, is CPAgrip.com. Now with this one, unfortunately, you can't get any crypto, but you can get some nice money. So CPAgrip.com is a website that's gonna pay you for some actions, okay? And now you can just make yourself an account, you know how to do it, and I'm gonna log in my account. Now, when you're inside of this, you should get this offer tools section. So when you click on the offer tools over here, then you should head over to these my offers. When you click on my offers, you will have a lot of these offers which you can run, and in order for you to, for example, run this offer, you just have to apply. You will copy this link and people will have the chance to enter this PayPal gift card contest, but they will need to enter their email address. And if they go through your link and if they enter that email address, you are gonna get $2 per each one of those signups, okay? So people don't have to buy anything at all. They don't have to like enter the credit card, they don't have to pay for any subscription, they just have to enter their email address, okay? And you are gonna get $2 per each one of those. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. You just have to find the traffic for it now. And the way in which I do this is I go to facebook.com and I just search in the bar. I just type make money online and then I go to these groups over here. So I click on groups so I can get only these groups, and this is where the magic happens, okay? You can see that these groups have a lot of members, and all of these people inside of these groups, they're gathering there for a reason, right? They want to find certain offer which is gonna give them the money, and with this offer they can enter the lottery for $750 PayPal gift card. So you will just engage with the people and you will just tell them that they can enter the lottery. And of course you gotta mention that they only need to enter their email address, and that's all that they have to do, okay? So you gotta mention that. So a lot of people are actually gonna do this, and the more of these groups you visit, the more traffic you can get. Remember guys, you get $2 per each one of those signups. So that's really cool, okay? A lot of people are gonna do that because they don't have nothing to lose, and you'll see pretty quickly that there's gonna be some good money, guys. So go and do it, and I'll catch you later.